Honor Magic 6 Pro specs leaked, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and other key details. Honor is expected to release its new smartphone, Honor Magic 7 Pro, soon as a successor to the Magic 6 Pro 5G launched recently in India. The specs of the reported Honor smartphone have leaked online. Key specs and purported design of the Honor Magic 7 Pro are tipped, along with sporting Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. According to the reports, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is rumored to feature a 6.82-inch 2K dual-layer OLED screen with quad curved edges, 120Hz refresh rate, and Honor's Eye Protection 3.0. The display could come with 8T LTPO technology along with Kunlun glass protection. It's expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with UFC 4.0 onboard storage with LPDDR5X RAM. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is expected to receive a triple rear camera setup, having a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50Hz primary sensor and a 50-megapixel sensor paired with an ultra-wide-angle lens. The third rear camera unit might sport a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto shooter or a 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP3 sensor. Meanwhile, the selfie camera of the handset is reported to boast a 50-megapixel sensor along with a 3D depth sensor. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is rumored to be boasting a 5,800 mAh battery backed by third-generation King Guide Lake battery technology. The smartphone may come with support for 100 watts wired and 66 watts wireless charging. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is expected to be equipped with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and a 2D face recognition feature. The iPhone may have an IP68 or IP69 rated build for dust and splash resistance. It's reported to support satellite communication and could carry the C1 Plus RF chipset along an E1 efficiency chip, along with an X-axis linear motor.